So if you have paid attention to us and our content for a while, you've probably seen us using this. We buy it from tapeguys.com. It's a medium tack roll that actually is perforated. You can tear. We use it for stuff like this. We're about to start our drywall work or the mud process. That is a return. And so we have covered that return with the Tape Guys tape, the medium tack actually, so that we can keep the dust from getting in the return. We have some in one of the supplies right there, but what we do in a spot where we have a seam, we have a seam and we have some nail holes that are going to need to be finished, I oversize that and then I tuck it up inside the ductwork. So the same tape, just not laying on the surface, it's able to be shoved up inside there, and now we have effectively covered the same ductwork in a different manner, and now we have a little less dust that gets in our ductwork, and we don't have to worry about dirtying up the HVAC and causing problems down the line.